Ask all three of you, what are you willing to offer in terms of terms and conditions to draw in private capital into the agricultural sector? Very quickly, key points.
No, I think what I said earlier, that we continue with our deregulation so that, the private sector actually leads the country. We don't get into, procurement targets and price support mechanisms, which are all distortionary, number one. Number two, the guarantee structures that I talked about, the first loss guarantees, because especially we talked about just the cash crops, but the value addition that is happening in terms of fruits and vegetables, you really need investment and huge amount of investment in Pakistan in terms of the cold chains and the cold storages and warehousing, which in turn will help with the export.
What numbers are you working with, sir, and what kind of returns are you willing to offer on the table?
Just giving an example, I mean, rice alone from nowhere this year, the export potential is about $3.5 billion, right? So these are all big numbers as we go forward. So from our perspective, I think it's important that the private sector should also, I think it was somewhere picked up here, should consider it as good business, so that the government should act as a catalyst to start with in terms of first loss, etc. But then it should really pick up from there.